Hello guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today in this video, I am going to be building Dr. Crayora's bedroom. And I told everybody in the last video, right here in this mini closet area, that for a late birthday present I would be making Dr. Crayora's bedroom. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. After I splash Dr. Crayora with the water breathing potion. Look, I have the effect too. Is this the wrong one or something? Oh, no, it's not the wrong one. Okay, anyway, let's get started on his room. Okay. I'm going to put leaves to be finished right next to the bedroom because this is my magical enchanting room. And I forgot all about this room and told you guys that I was building a room for Dr. Crayora. And something I would be working on two things at once. So I'm going to finish Dr. Crayora's room and then carry on building the magical room. I must get out of here before Mittens drown. Okay. The decorations for Crayora's birthday party are still here. We had the birthday party in the last video. It was a blast. And Mittens is here. Yeah, and all of Crayora's friends came and all that stuff. Who's in my kitchen? Zachary, why are you in my kitchen? He's standing on Mittens' food bowl. How rude of you, Zachary. Get off of the food bowl. I'm going to leave Mittens here. Oh, Caleb and Anthony have come in now. I'm gonna leave Mittens here. I'm gonna do something funny. Oh no. She's sitting at the table. You guys, you're delicious. Make sure and feed Mittens while I'm gone. Oh yeah, and in Crayora's room, I'm going to put his new doll, Emily Miracle, in his bedroom. But for now, Emily Miracle is going to stay in the party room. I need to get started on this room. As you can see, I'm still wearing my party suit from the last video, and I got rid of all my light blue, or not light blue, dark blue leather armor. Because, yeah, I wanted to wear my party outfit, and it would waste space in my inventory if I had that blue armor in. Oh yeah. Okay. We're gonna have to play all this in the room. Certainly not here. Not here. Hey, I have an idea. I'm going to change this room from a magical enchanting room to player room. I will rebuild the magical enchanting room. Don't be worried that I'm never going to build my magical enchanting room again. I will rebuild it somewhere. Okay. I want it to be cool. Cool. I have an idea of what it can be made of. I need clay. Stained clay, not normal clay. Okay, I think the white one will be really good for the wall. So yeah. I'm going to change the sign from bedroom to Dr. Trayaurus. Not his room, bedroom. La. I might have the magical enchanting room above Dr. Trayaurus' room. Like, all of it didn't have to be underwater, especially because I'm running out of room in my river. Like, it ends here, and then there's a little pond thing. So yeah, I might have to build part of my house not underwater, above the water. Most of my house will still be underwater. La and I need to change the carpeting. What can I change it to? Oh, I remember what I wanted to change it to. It's going to be white. It's going to be white. Oh no, I'm running out of night vision. And I need to dig out this flooring. to come in with a mighty shoe. I'm gonna tell her to take his shoes off before he comes in here, because the flooring is white, and white is an easy color to get stains on. So yeah, I hope Violas will take his shoes off before he comes in this room. La li lo, la li la lo la, la li la li lo la li lo. Ooh, this is one of my favorite Minecraft music. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And by pretty cool, I mean it's very, very cool. Yeah, and I need a black outline. And I need an emerald. And I need lime wool. Emerald. And 5 emerald. Whoever makes it from the bottom of the mountain first wins 5 emeralds. Wins 5 emeralds. Wins 5 emeralds. La, la. Okay, this will not work out. I have an idea. It won't look exactly like an emerald, but it'll look something like an emerald. Fill in this area. This music is really awesome. I like Minecraft music. Okay, that did not look like an emerald at all. Look at this emerald. Okay, look at this emerald compared to that emerald. This emerald looks more like a green bean or something. This emerald looks like a proper gem. But it'll do, I don't think Violas would mind. That's going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Bye!